Hello everyone, welcome to QCar TV. Today we're going to have a look at the Smart #3 SUV Coupe. So I went to the show and I saw the Smart 3 Brabus. It's the red one in the video. It has impressive specs such as the 3.7 seconds 0 to 100. It's beautiful. It has a beautiful interior design. The one you see here in the video is the one that I sat in. It's not the Brabus version, it's the normal version, but both cars are identical. They're all the same. It's just that the interior is slightly different in the Brabus. In the normal version it is mostly silver color. So in terms of the specs for the Brabus, it's 3.7 seconds, which is supercar timing. 3.7 seconds 0 to 100. It comes with a 66 kilowatt battery, which is kind of small, like Tesla Model Y kind of battery. Kind of the size of it, Tesla Model Y kind of battery. It has the rocket launch mode. The WLTP range for the Brabus is 415 kilometers. It has a fast charging, 30 minutes, 150 kilowatts support, and it charges 10 to 80% in 30 minutes. It supports the 22 kilowatt AC charging. Beautiful panoramic hollow roof, they call it. All-wheel drive, that's why they call it the SUV, and it has a 10-inch head-up display. It has the Beats sound system with 13 speakers, the 20-inch rims, ventilated microfiber suede seats, red brake calipers, and the Brabus badge and distinct body styling. So if you see here, I'm in actually the normal version, and the normal version has only the 200 kilowatt motor output, which is the 200 kilowatt. The WLTP range is slightly further, 455 kilometers, and everything the rest is mostly the same. So the one I got in and I test drive it and I tried it and I sat in it and I love it. It's a really nice car. The boot is huge. You can take the tonneau cover, you can fold the seats back, and you have all the space under the front. It's like the Mercedes-Benz CLA shooting brake. You know, I don't know the shooting brake, you can fold the seats, but I know it's really nice. And you have a lot of space at the back. If you can see me in the back here, fantastic, like so much space, so spacious. It's really nice. And if you're willing to buy one of these, this one competes with the Tesla Model Y, so yeah. But overall, the interior, the quality is amazing. The quality is really good. I think has one of the most high quality dashboard and materials inside, and I really like it, you know. I will get to the video for the UI and controls on the touchscreen, so stay tuned for that video in the future. This car was also co-built with Geely and Mercedes-Benz, so you can see why the car is high quality made, and the technology from Geely as well. So yeah, that's the reason why. Here is the marketing material brochures for the Smart #3. This is for the Brabus and this is for the normal version. This is the brochure. If you've never seen it before, this is how it looks like, and this is the normal version. This is how it looks like. If you're interested to buy this car, you can go to Proton New Energy Technologies down here. They are the one who actually gave me this brochure, and they are selling the car. But the car, I don't think the car is not for sale yet. I think in Malaysia the price is not out yet, but I believe it's below 300,000, and it's competing with the Tesla Model Y. So if you're going to buy a Tesla Model Y, you want to wait and see this car first, because it's nice. But anyway, if you like this content, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all. Oh, one last thing, if you want to see the test drive video, stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to do a test drive video of this car. And if you want to see it, follow the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.